How to fix Instagram vanish mode. You took a screenshot error. So if you want to fix Instagram vanish mode, you took a screenshot error, then what you need to do is go with your Instagram at first and go with one of your chats and launch your vanish mode. Tap on OK. Once you've turned on your vanish mode, go here and just take a screenshot. And as you can see that it says you took a screenshot. And it will also notify the other person that you've took a screenshot. You can simply completely just close your Instagram. And now you need to tap and hold on to your Instagram. Go with the app info. Go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you can go back and open up your Play Store and search for Instagram. And if there's any update available, then you just need to simply go and update your Instagram application. After that, just click on the power button and go for a reboot or restart option, depending on your device. Ensure Instagram has the necessary information. Now navigate to the Instagram, tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info, and here make sure that you allow all the permissions, or you can also just go and reinstall the Instagram and try again. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.